I would like to call Muhammad Ibrahim Nadwi to talk about importance of training program. Mean the need of the time we have to train the trainers. As you will observe, you will watch all our students. In fact, they are the teachers, and we tried our level best to train them. And then now, if we train them, so we can get the good result in upcoming future, inshallah aziz. So now I would like to call Muhammad Ibrahim Nadwi.
And a very good evening to all of you. I am Muhammad Ibrahim. I am from Devar-Hippargi. I am an alim. I have done alimiyat from Darul Uloom, Nadwatul Ulama, Lucknow. Recently, I have, alhamdulillah, completed personality development course at Madarasa Baitul Uloom and Sunnah English Medium School. Respected teachers and dear audience, today I am going to talk about importance of teacher training program. Everyone knows today's youth is tomorrow's leader, and who is responsible for making these future leaders influential? Of course, teachers. So indirectly, the future depends on the teacher. But what is the importance of teacher training program? If teachers are skilled, what? If teachers are skilled, that means 95% of students are also skilled. That calculates teachers are the key factor in educational excellence, whether in the past or today. It is mainly a process through which individuals are taught skills for carrying their responsibilities for the specific job. Every day there are changes in economic, social and technological. Therefore, these training programs are helping individuals in coping with these changes. Similarly, teachers are required to go through training for educational excellence. For reform in the educational excellence, the teacher training program plays an important role as with any other professional. Teachers also have to keep themselves updated with the changing environment. The training program is help for teachers in improving their efficiency, ability, knowledge, professionalism, and motivation for their work. My dear audience, let's discuss the importance of teacher training program and how it is the main part of today's educational excellence. You must agree that there is a drastic change in today's generation, technology and environment as compared to earlier. For this evolving environment, it is required that the teachers must be updated to get teaching results. Teaching and learning are always two parallel lines that are the bound to go together. It is always seen that students of well-informed and skilled teachers are better than the other student. Therefore, teachers must get training at regular intervals of the time for updated knowledge regarding the ever-changing environment. Teacher training program is help improve teacher in time management, technical knowledge, motivating student, and teaching skill. I end up my speech. Thank you so much, and have a nice night. Alhamdulillah. Assalamu alaikum.